Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making a wig. I'm using soft dreadlock. I don't know what it's called in other countries, but in Kenya it's called soft dreadlock. I'm using a weaving cap, a crochet needle, and scissors. Yeah, as you can see, I'm rocking an African turban. My hair is a mess. I need something new to just spice it up. So I'm just going to open the wig cap, fit it on my mannequin head, and start doing the wig. This weaving cap goes for 50 shillings in Kenya. That is like 50 cents US dollars. I guess so, yeah. Yeah, so it fits perfectly. Now we're going to just start using the hair. So this is one pack of hair. I ended up using 1.5. It depends with the length that you want. I'll be cutting it into half. You can cut it into 3 if you want. Yeah, it just depends with the length that you want. And this is how one bundle of hair looks like. So I'm just going to cut it into half, and that's the desirable length that I like. So after cutting, I'm just going to take the individual pieces and separate them into 3. You don't need to force it, you just twist it and they automatically just separate themselves. You can see it is just as easy as that. Then you keep pulling gently and you have your 3 pieces. So for each piece, I'm going to have 6 pieces. For each piece that I have, I'm going to have 6 pieces. So I'm just going to take my crochet needle, pass through some 2 to 3 holes, pass the hair, put the hair through the crochet needle, then just secure it by making 2 knots. So I'll be repeating the process again. Using my crochet needle, I'm going to pass it through the net, secure the hair through the needle, pass it through the net, make two knots, then secure it tightly. So I just love this hair because it has that finger coil looking kind of look. I like saying that. I like saying kind of look. If you've noticed, if you watch my videos, I like using that term. So I like the fact that it is coiled. The hair is not soft. It's kind of rough. And the coils, as long as I maintain the hair very well, it's going to last me for a while. So guys, as you've noticed, I like making a lot of wigs because when I make my hair, it will not even last a week. Like, I just get bored. But with wigs, I'm able to just change it, switch it up, not feel bored with any hair. Because now see, if I plaited this hair and I undid it, high chances are I'll have spoiled it. But if I make a wig from it, I'll have so many wears from it, and that's just my logic. That's why I like making wigs. I just have my cornrows beneath there and my wig, and I look fine. Yeah, so I'm just repeating the process. As you can see, we already have the hair. You're just doing the do. You're just doing what you're supposed to do. Yes, until you achieve what you want. So depending with your preference, it depends on what you want. If you love bulky hair, you can use up to 2 to 3 packs. If you love less hair, like mine is not going to be super bulky, it's just going to be medium, you'll use 1.5 pack of hair. So as you can see, this hair goes for 250, but this depends on where you buy it in Kenya. I like buying most of my stuff in Dubois. Anytime I'm in town and I'm free and I have some extra coins, I pass through Dubois, buy whatever I need, because there you get the best discounts. Yeah, so for anything that you like and you want to get at an affordable price, you get it there at very affordable prices. So I'll recommend you buy it from there, because if I had bought this hair from my estate, I would have bought it for 350 shillings. But if you have nothing that you're doing in town, why not? But if you have something that you're doing in town, save that 100 shillings and use it to buy something else, like an earring. I'm just an economical person. Yeah, so let's continue with this. Just pass through the latch hook, the holes, and then use the crochet needle to make it pass through the hairnet. Another point to note is that you're supposed to ensure that this hair, before you crochet it, they are of the same length, the ends are of the same length, because otherwise it's going to just have not a clean look, a rough look, which is not what you're going for. We like neatness. So I'm almost done, guys. Just see this hair. Actually, if you're free, you can use even 30 minutes, maximum 1 hour. If you're a beginner, maybe it can take you a while, but if you're used to crocheting, just 30 minutes is fine. If you're free, only 30 minutes and you have your wig and you save yourself some coins. So yeah, at the front I'm going to make some bangs. So I'm not going to make it bulky. I love little bangs on my front of my face. I want to see, despite the fact that I'm decorating my face with hair, I want to see where I am going. So I don't like it to be full. So I'm just going to make it scarce. The hair is going to be scarce in the front, and then all the other action is just going to fall behind and on the sides. So I'm repeating the same process, just passing the crochet needle through the net, securing it twice, and then pulling it. And that's it. This wig is cute. I just can't wait for you guys to see the end. The fact that I have posted it means it was cute. Yes. The fact that I'm already posting it, it means that it wasn't a fail, it was an epic success. Look at it. Girl, tell me this thing isn't bomb. And this is when you've just worn the bangs just on your eyebrow, at the length of your eyebrow. If you like vision, then that's your place. But if you want a more sexy look, a more versatile look, just pull the bangs a little bit and you have another look. I'm sorry I didn't show you how I cut the bangs or how I did what I did, but it is just simple. I lost that footage, but it is just I didn't do any magic apart from what I did. I just crocheted and then I cut the bangs to my desirable length. So this was a welcome distraction, guys. If you have bangs, definitely some will try to get into your hair, but it all comes with beauty. Beauty has a price. Look at me trying to dance. Definitely I'm not a good dancer. Look at her. If you see people who dance like this, they don't know how to dance. They're those people who just watch and say, "Me najua, I know," but they don't even know. So look at me. Oh, cute. Who's that girl? And with this distraction, I was actually able to get another style. So you just put the rest of the hair behind your ears and just leave the bangs to enjoy all the attention. So far we've had like three styles. The one that you have the bangs just at your eyebrows, now this one with the bangs below your eyebrows, and then now the tucking of the rest of the hair behind your ears, which I think is going to be my favorite because I'm feeling like it's making me look cute. So guys, say below the comment section which style looks good or which style you'll prefer. And guys, I really appreciate all of you. Thank you for tuning in and for always. I love you so much. Don't miss out on my next video because girls, I'm really trying to bring out some good stuff. So stay blessed. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.